This video tutorial will explain how to configure your Aircom device with analog instruments. First, remove the front cover of your Aircom unit and wire in your analog instrument. In this example, we are using a HART-enabled temperature transmitter. For full wiring and instrument options, please consult the user manual. Now, power on the Aircom unit by inserting the battery. Wait for the green LED to stop flashing. When ready, gently tap the indicated square with a magnet 3 times to enable Bluetooth. If you haven't already, download the Aircom app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Please see our website for the link. Open the app and select the Aircom device you wish to connect to. The name of your Aircom device will be the serial number located on the manufacturer's label. Once on the main page, tap the Configure Hardware button and select Analog Channel 1 or 2. Tap the Edit button and select the desired input source from the list. Here, you can see the supported devices such as active or passive 4 to 20 mA instruments, RTD, thermocouple, and others. As previously stated in this example, we are using a HART temperature transmitter. Next, set the on time. This is the time that the Aircom unit will power on the transmitter before taking a reading. To preserve battery life, it's best to keep this time as short as possible. For our example instrument and most transmitters, 5 seconds is sufficient time to power on and take a stable reading. Once you are happy with the settings, tap the Tick button. You will then be prompted to write the configuration to the Aircom device. Return to the main screen and tap the Download Configuration button. You'll be notified by a green indication bar at the bottom of the screen when this action is complete. You can test your setup is working by navigating to the Readings page. Then tap the Refresh Readings button. The Aircom unit will power the transmitter for the set on time and take a reading. Now the hardware is connected and working correctly, you need to set how often you want the measurements to be transmitted. To do this, watch our transmission tutorial on our website.